Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Spendum NY, and for today's video I will show you how I make this balloon column. So materials for this project, we have chrome balloons 260Q, green, silver, latex balloon 11 inches pure turquoise, 5 inches round Caribbean blue, 5 inches round spring lilac, 5 inches silver chrome, and we need our balloon glue dots, our balloon sizer. We have our 5 inches right here, inflated them all to 4.5 inches or 11.43 centimeter. All of your 5 inches inflated like that. So as you can see, I pre-made all of them and then connect them together just like this, okay? Followed by our 11 inches balloon turquoise. 4 of them, I inflated them to 7.5 inches or 19.0 centimeter right here. So 4 pairs of this, okay, 7.5 inches. So I also inflated 2 pairs of 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter right here. So 2 pairs, okay. We also have 9 inches, also 2 pairs of them right here, and 1 pair of our 10 inches. Alright guys, so with that said, let's start doing this. Again, we need our balloon stand right here. So we'll start off with our 7.5 inches and our 5 inches right here. So first, your 5 inches, you put it this way and then put your 7.5 inches on top, just like that. And then you need what? This here. And twist this one right here, making sure you wrap it around the stand. Push it down a little bit so now you have your single and then double. So it has to be like that. And then you grab another pair of your 7.5 inches balloon. Put this on top. Put this on the side right now. And then you twist. Push a little, so now you have that design. If you look at the side, right here, okay, so there's no gap. Keep pushing like that. You do the same thing, repeat the process. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 7.5 inches balloon that we inflated to 7.5. So grab one of this, again the same process. So this time after your third 7.5 balloon, you need your 8 inches, okay? So 2 pairs of 8 inches. So after that 8 inches, we'll put our 9 inches. So now we're ready to put our 9 inches balloon here. So again, we need here. Push it down and your 9 inches. So after your 9 inches, we will put our 10 inches right here. After the 10 inches, we'll back to 9 inches. Your 9 inches right here. And then after your 9, we're going back to 7.5. And so now we have our 10, 9. Now we're going back to 7.5. Again, the same thing, you put this on here. center 7.5. And then on the very top one, we'll put a single 7.5 balloon. Let's tie this here somewhere. Just like that. There you go, guys. So far, that's what it looked like. So we're not quite done yet. And this time we'll be inflating our 5 inches spring lilac. We'll inflate this to 5 inches or 12.70 centimeter. So you attach this like that. And then this one, attach this here. We'll make a flower. Okay. So in the middle of our flower, we will use our silver 5 inches chrome. We will inflate this to 3.5. So right here, like that, we'll put it in the middle. And there goes our flower right here. This is just a very simple way on how to make a flower. So if you want to make a very sophisticated flower, we have a video for that. You can follow that video if you like that kind of flower, but this is just for a beginner and you can use this if you want. So we will make 3 of this flower, and I already pre-made 3 of those flowers right here. So we will attach that here. So now we're ready to attach our flowers right here. And I'll be using balloon glue dots. And guys, we're now ready to incorporate our balloon leaf right here. And again, if you want to know how I made this, we have our video right there. You can follow that step-by-step tutorial from our previous blog. So we'll put this here and the other one on the other side right here. Again, we'll be using our balloon glue dots. Alright guys, so we got those on right there. So last thing we're gonna do for our decoration is the 260Q. We'll make a rose. So there's 260Q green and silver. So we will start off with the silver right here. I will be making a balloon rose out of 260Q. So again, if you want to know how to make this in a detailed step-by-step, we have another video that will put it up there, and please follow if you want to know how to make this one. And there it is, guys. So we need 5 of this. All our flowers are finally done right here. So we will put this here again, balloon glue dots right on there. Here you go, guys. It's all done. Hope you like this, and if you do, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up and share. We will see you guys in our next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.